So in terms of net zero, what we've done here, we've installed special devices, and these devices are different to every single machine, just to suit. These devices record real-time energy consumption of each device, and we can see this information in real time. So why is it important? So first of all, by using this information on real-time energy consumption, you can see when the machine is on, when the machine is off. I mean, it sounds simple, but when we started showing it to our clients, they were quite surprised that using low-cost sensors can actually help you in calculating machines utilization, for example. By just shutting down the machines overnight or shutting them down like half an hour earlier can bring down our energy consumption. And another aspect of this real-time energy monitoring is very precise calculations of life cycle analysis. For example, when I'm manufacturing a part on, let's say, machine A, I know that this part's been in manufacture between 11:17 until 11:20. And I know exactly how much energy was used during these 3 minutes, which means that I can calculate life cycle, I can do life cycle analysis calculations more precise. And we are completely removing this guesswork when it comes to calculations. If we're better informed, then we can make decision based on actual data, which makes it more productive. So everything I mentioned here will help with net zero targets.